Hi, this is shocking. Very shocking. I got a. So, animals? Like, animals? Well, I give you the newest animal of the family tree. This was supposed to be a short, and, we have cats. Sorry, Morph. And our newest member, and if you feel scared, don't worry, it's completely, harmless. I can give you the details. Um, there it is. This is the newest member of the family. Let me just show you up close a bit. There we go. This is our newest member. She's Penelope, a children's python. Just give me a sec. And she's just a youngster, but she's growing really big. I don't want to pick her up because I just want to leave her be. And she's going into a tunnel. So we gave her two logs, a small one and a big one. There we go. Let me just get this up close so then you can see her going right into the tunnel. You can see, like, she's moving, but she's paused. Oh, her head's popped out in the other side. Look at that. Now, she's only a youngster, and she's not poisonous. She is actually a swallowing snake. I'm just going to move this so then I can tell you. So, swallowing snakes. I'm going to tell you. So, just pretend this is like a wild animal, and this hand is like her. You can see her, like, in the background right here, looking for a way. Just right there. You can see her. Look at her go! Now, just pretend this lizard is in the wild, and then there's a swallowing snake, which is going to go like this. Like that. They do bite, but they're not poisonous. So they're not dangerous at all. They're not actually dangerous or poisonous. You can see her. She's reaching. You can see in the background she's reaching to escape. Now, long story short, I do have the gecko tank as well from my dad's. But there's changes and wars happening. So, yeah. Um but she's our newest member. She's behind the log, the big one. Oh, you can see her head. If you just look closely, you can just get a good angle. You can see her head popping out. Look at that. Look at that. Now, she is actually one of the very first snakes. That's a bit too close, whoops. That I got from my birthday. Yeah, you. She's staring at me like, really? Anyways, so she is the children's python. She'll grow long as your arm, like long from your shoulder to the top of your fingers. She lives up to 15 to 20 years. Way much longer than the gecko, which is the gecko's 7 to 15 years. Hi, Morph. Morpheus is right down here. Hi. And so she's really good. What are you doing, girl? So I'm gonna go and tell you that I gotta refresh her water, and then she's gonna be okay. She's going to be fed today. Now, if you feel gross, that's okay. She likes to eat mice, small baby mice. So they're in frozen packets. Then you boil them alive in hot water. Then you give them a bit of a, here we go, some snake oil, which makes a snake swallow much better. Isn't that right, Penelope? She starts with P, not F. So, Penelope, not Penelope. It's Penelope. And she's, well, still alive. So, yeah. I'm going to end this video. I'm going to refresh her water. I don't want to scare her. So this is why I got this for snakes. If you don't know what that is, it's like, you pick up snakes. That's what it is. But only. If you don't know any more about snakes, you can just send me a message on my Facebook, or you can send me a message on my YouTube channel on this video about snakes, or lizards, or cats. Because I'm an animal person, and she's coming right up. And she's going right up. Would you like to say any final words, Penelope? Would you say any words? Huh? Did you say any words? Oh, that cat is just busy doing what cats do. And you want to say something? Anyways, oh, look at her. Even the cat's there. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you.